Nintendo Swap. No detachable Joy-Cons. Looks like it sits OLED size to its right. Scroll with L plus L buttons. Stylus or gyro. New Joy-Con with USB-C port without a rail. New Joy-Con has camera sensors in nearly 6 degrees of freedom. And fast charging. So this is the next Nintendo console apparently, according to this guy as well. Of course, definitely take it with a grain of salt as well. For considering there were so many really bad ones, I think the worst of them all was Nintendo Switch Smile. Okay, Nintendo Switch Smile. Okay, you know, you know. I remember that it was really really stupid. Nintendo Switch Smile. Like, who comes up with that stuff? But yeah, and that's it about this video here. And goodbye.